Hi everyone, and welcome to this short demo of our code generator. My name is Adam, I'm Skafi, and I am one of the co-founders of Deep Automation. I bring more than 17 years of experience in the software development industry, and today I'll show you how Deep Automation can generate your applications in seconds. So in this video, we will generate our application code using ReactJS, TypeScript, and .NET Core within seconds, as if a team of developers were coding behind the scenes for like several months. The technology stack is fully flexible and can be adapted to your specific requirements if you would like to use other technologies like Java, Spring, or whatever you want. So you'll also have a look at the structure of the generated code and get an overview of the generated application, which is ready to deploy and ready for the go live. So let's get started. On this screen, I am logged into the Deep Automation code generator, and as you see, you can create several projects. And our focus now, let's say on this project, the daycare. So the first step is to make sure to connect to the projects database, in our case, the database of the daycare ERP system. And the generator checks automatically the schema and fetches all the available tables within one click. And in this example, as you can see, we have around 251 tables. So these tables, you can choose all of them, or you just have to select the tables for which we want to generate the code. And then we generate first the API, and second, the web code. For this demonstration, we will keep it just simple and select 3 tables like AccountingClosing, activity, for example, and AgeGroup. But certainly you can choose all the tables at the same time and generate all the API codes and the web codes within 1 or 2 clicks. So now I have generated the files. Congratulations, both the API and web files have been generated instantly and downloaded as a zip folder. So all you need now is to extract, copy and paste the files into your project. So when you set up Deep Automation, you also receive a ready-to-use code base with all the UI UX elements. So you have the full necessary setup to start generating your code based on the database which you have. So your project can be set up and running within just few minutes. The end result looks like this. So this is the login page of the application we have generated. For sure, I have already generated all the files and the tables which I need. And as you see, a complete web UI UX along with the all base code you need to run and go live with the application. So this includes roles and permissions, sign in, sign out, the user registration, email communication with the email templates, the system logs, and of course the full data management. So you will have everything from CRUD operations to import and export, advanced search, sorting, column visibility like show and hide the columns, and much more, and all ready to use from day one, bug-free and using standard codes. So you can also navigate the API through Swagger, which is also included as standard component in every generated application using Deep Automation. And voila, your application is ready to launch with full flexibility for further customization. So by the way, our code generator allows you to adjust both the technology stack and the coding style to match your needs, so your existing application or future application. We can also further customize the application by adding business logic for integrating with other systems, all within a very short time. As I promised you from the beginning, with Deep Automation, your code is generated in seconds, so you can focus entirely on your business. So get in touch with us and let's create your proof of concept within seconds together. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest Deep Automation, code generation, AI agents, and enterprise application development. See you next time. Bye-bye.